See that exercise 1.2 question number 1. Discuss the following relation for reflexivity, symmetricity and transitivity. The relation R is defined on the set of all positive integers. Now we take only the positive integers. Here the relation is m divides n. M divides n. So first reflexive means we take only the single element. For example, let us take the number 3. 3 divides 3. Is it possible? Yes, it is possible. The number 3 is divided by 3. So m or m means m divides m, which is true. Therefore it is reflexive. Next, symmetricity. Symmetricity means we take two elements. Let us take the number 2 divides 6 is possible. 6 by 2 is possible. M or n. That means m divides n. Instead of m, I write the number 2. 2 divides 6. Yes, it is possible. But 6 divides 2. That means n does not divides m. N does not divides m. 6 does not divide the number 2. How can we write it as means 6 by 2 divides. That means this one is the denominator. This one is the numerator. 6 by 2 is 3. But 2 by 6 is not equal to 3. That is 1 by 3. So both the things are not equal. So 6, that means 2 divides 6, but 6 does not divides 2. Therefore it is not symmetric. Next, transitive means we need 3 numbers. M divides n as well as n divides p. Then we say m also divides p. So see that m divides n. That means 12 by 6. Here n divides p. P is 24. 24 by 12. That also possible. So p divides m means 24 by 6. That also possible. That m divides p. So this one is satisfied. 12 by 6 is possible because the number 6 divides 12. The same way the number 12 divides 24, as well as the number 6 is also divides 24. Therefore it is transitive. So the second subdivision, let P denote the set of all straight lines in a plane. The relation R defined by L is related to M. Here the relation is L is perpendicular to M. That means both the lines are perpendicular to each other. First you take the single element for reflexive. The line itself is not perpendicular to itself. The line is not perpendicular to itself. இருக்கிறதே single line. அதை போய் நம்ம என்ன சொல்ல முடியாது, perpendicular to itself னு சொல்ல முடியாது. So L related to L means L is perpendicular to L அப்படின்னு சொல்லணும். That is not true. Therefore it is not reflexive. Next we take two numbers. That means two line segments. L is related to M means L is perpendicular to M. The same way M is also perpendicular to L. See the picture. Here L is perpendicular to M. The same way M is also perpendicular to L. So both the things satisfies the relation. Therefore it is symmetric. Next, L is related to M means L is perpendicular to M, and then M is perpendicular to N. See that the dotted line is the extending line for L and N, but L is not perpendicular to N. This one is not true. Why it is not true means because both the lines are parallel lines. Therefore it is not transitive. Next, subdivision 3. Let A be the set consisting of all the members of a family. The relation R defined by A is related to B. Here this relation is not a sister. Relation is not a sister. That means first reflexive condition you take only one member. Here the set is set of all members of a family. So A is male, B is female. So A is not a sister of B. That condition is satisfied. So reflexive means A is not a sister of A. That means A cannot be a sister of herself. அவங்களுக்கே அவங்க சிஸ்டராக இருக்க முடியாது. Therefore it is reflexive. இங்கே என்னதான் சொல்லியிருக்காங்க, not a sister. அப்போ it satisfies the given relation. Next is symmetric. A is related to B, but B is not related to A. See that A brother, B sister னு வச்சுக்கோம். A is not a sister of B. That is true. But B is sister of A. அப்போ இங்கே ரிலேஷன் என்ன ஆகலை, சாட்டிஸ்ஃபை ஆகலை. ஸோ ஆர் சம்டைம்ஸ் எப்படி இருக்கலாம், B is sister of A. அதாவது இங்கே ரெண்டு பேருமே சிஸ்டர் அப்படின்னு நம்ம எடுத்துட்டோம் அப்படின்னா எப்படி இருக்கலாம், நான் ரெண்டு பேருமே ஜென், இவங்களும் ஜென் இவங்களும் ஜென், மேல் எடுத்துட்டோன்னா மேல் ஜெண்டர் எடுத்துட்டோன்னா A is not a sister of B as well as B is not a sister of Aன்னு வரும். ஸோ இது மே ஆர் மே நாட். ஸோ நம்ம கண்டிப்பாக இது ட்ரூன்னு சொல்ல முடியாது. மே ஆர் மே நாட் கண்டிஷன்னாலே அது ஃபால்ஸ் தான். A is not a sister of B, but B is not a sister of Aவாகவும் இருக்கலாம், sometimes sister of Aவாகவும் இருக்கலாம். Therefore it is not symmetric. Next, transitive. I take the daughter, father. Next, father, daughter. See here, A is not a sister of B because daughter is not a sister of father. Next, father is not a sister of daughter. Father is not a sister of daughter. And then here, A is related to C. That means see that A is one daughter, C is another daughter means both the daughters are sisters to each other. Therefore, here A and C are sisters. அப்போ இங்கே not related. அங்கே என்ன கொடுத்துருக்காங்க, not a sister தான் satisfy பண்ணணும். But here we get down the answer sister. Therefore, it is not transitive.